Stop! And I love my hair. Baby, I love my hair.
Hello everyone,
and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be using yarn and springy Afro Twist hair to make Pretty Imisi's hair. First, I am conditioning her hair by applying Ken2 hydrating moisturizer, and next I applied my homemade hair butter to condition her hair. You all can see that Imisi's hair is growing from the last time we made our hair. Yeah, we've been doing our hair like bi-weekly now, not every time, just give our hair time to grow and rest. The hairstyle we are making today is quite simple. This hairstyle helps to grow hair. I mean, it helps to just stretch out 4C hair like that of Imisi. I have made this hairstyle before on my channel using yarn and springy Afro Twist hair, but today we are using a different method and a different styling pattern. 4C hair is very difficult to control and manage. If your daughter's hair is like this 4C hair, you want to make sure you moisturize it properly to kind of like help. Some just sprinkle water on it, you know, whatever helps you to style and section your daughter's hair is fine. And you want to make sure while sectioning the hair is not kind of like pulling the scalp so that it makes your child uncomfortable. She's not gonna sit for the hair, honestly, trust me. If she feels any inconvenience, she's gonna just start crying or just kind of like wiggle her hair and say, hey, do not touch my hair. And here is the Afro Twist. I kind of like divided one of those strands into two. It comes in a bunch of strands, so I picked one strand and I divided it into two, and then I picked half of that strand I divided into two and I wove it around that hair as if I'm going to braid the hair. And then I picked my yarn and I started to plait it. So I will plait it until where the hair reaches, I mean my daughter's natural hair reaches, and then I can just knot it, so leaving the Afro Twist hair. This is practically simple enough, and if you feel like you don't understand, you can just keep watching and you see how I keep doing it. By just watching, you can replicate the same. Very easy. I did big sections here because my daughter was so impatient in today's video. She didn't want to like have too many strands of hair done, so we kind of like just did big sections so we would be done in no time. I also ensured that while I was making her hair, my hand was not so tight so she doesn't feel uncomfortable carrying the hair.
Oh, mama, you're my everything. No one who's always there for me. You think different, you've shown your love so true. So grateful for all they do. I love my mama, yes I do. I love my mama and she loves me too.
And this clip is for you all who think Imisi sits all through while making her hair. That is a big fat lie. She doesn't sit. And this is her hair saying, Mom, I'm tired. And I give her time, like, okay, wiggle your hands, have your moment, just do whatever you want to do, but we have to complete this hair. And this is her hair having a dramatic moment. And while she was done, hey, she sat back down, and here we are. We'll continue making the hair again. And we're almost done with the hair. I took out a tiny little strand from the front section for weaving, just something to make the front look unique and different from every other section. Isn't this hair looking beautiful? It is gorgeous. And I'm just trimming it here, trimming out the excesses. What a stylish way to combine yarn and Afro twist hair. Isn't this looking beautiful? It is so pretty. I also went ahead to oil a scalp with, this is like lavender chebe oil. I found this oil on TikTok and it is awesome. The oil has a very good smell. Yeah, I also went ahead to add few accessories on her hair and a bow, yeah, to complement her dress. She's looking so pretty. And here it is, our hairstyle for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and families and your loved ones. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye.
Stop, and I love my